In this very quick video, I will show you how you can be able to add your Google Map to your WordPress website using Elementor. Hi guys, my name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia.
So to do this, come to your WordPress and then go to the particular page that you want to add the map. For this one, I want to use the contact us page. This also, I click on open with Elementor, and here is it. So once you click on open with Elementor, go ahead and add a new section. We just pick this single section here. Okay, so I want to add an element. I will search for HTML. Okay, so all this there. So this is where I can put in the code. Now you go to the Google Map and select your business. I'm using this as an example. So once you get yourself on the Google Map, you now click on this share button. On the share button, you now go further to click on the embedded map. Once you click on that, you can now copy the HTML code, then come and paste it here. So as you can see, it has appeared here, so one can click on it and get direction. And once you're done with that, go ahead and update your